안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. Do you like bibimbap? Although bibimbap is delicious, it can be very time consuming. So why not try making kongnamul bibimbap instead? The ingredients are simple, but it makes it for a great meal and it's also very delicious. Would you like to make it together? Thinly slice about 2 green onions. Also thinly slice a bit of carrots and cut them into thin strips. Cut the red chili pepper in half. Then halve them again and finely chop them. If you don't have a red chili pepper, you can skip it. Finely mince 3 cloves of garlic. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Put 1 tablespoon of water to reduce the saltiness. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add 1 teaspoon of plum extract, or you can use sugar or honey. Add chopped red chili peppers. If you don't have a red chili pepper, you can add 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. If you don't like spicy food, you can omit it. Add chopped green onions. Put 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Put 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. This will be the sauce to mix with the soybean sprout rice later. You can use ground or thinly sliced beef. Today I prepared ground beef. Add 2 pinches of salt and a bit of black pepper to the beef. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix the seasoned ingredients well with the beef. In a preheated pan, add the seasoned beef and stir fry well. This will be added to the soybean sprout rice later. If you don't like meat, you don't have to put it in, or you can add a fried egg instead. This is rice that has been washed and soaked in water for about an hour, and then drained to remove excess moisture. I will add 2 cups of water to the 2 cups of soaked rice. Put the soaked rice for 2 cups water in a pot. Boil over high heat without the lid. If you cover it while boiling, the rice water may overflow. Once the rice starts boiling, stir it once. Then add the drained soybean sprouts and put some sliced carrots. Reduce the heat to medium. Cover with a lid and let it boil. Once it boils, reduce the heat to low and cook for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, turn off the heat and let it sit for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes later. Wow, the color looks so pretty. Finally, add the stir-fried beef and sliced green onion. How to eat. Put the kongnamul rice in a bowl. This is seasoning sauce, so you can put some sauce on top of the rice and mix well. This is so good. Very healthy and delicious kongnamul bibimbap is done. How was today's recipe? If you are unsure about what to eat for dinner tonight, why not try making kongnamul bibimbap? You will love it. Thanks for watching. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.